Do you ever feel like you're fighting battles nobody sees, but you're losing the ones that matter most? Win this war by controlling 4 simple things: your mouth, your mind, your mood, and your money. And you'll transform your life faster than you think. What's inside this tube will show you why your words could be costing you everything. The surprising truth? It's not the big stuff that decides your future. It's the small daily battles that you ignore. One of these habits is a domino habit. If you get this one right, then the rest are effortless. But miss it, and you'll stay stuck. I used to fight this war every day. Burned out, reactive, broke, and wondering why other guys were getting ahead. When I locked in on these 4 things, everything changed. More peace at home, more clarity at work, more control over my future. My name is Stephen Kofer. If it's your first time here, it's great to meet you. If you're returning again, thank you for supporting the channel. It's great to have you here. Stick with me. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, and I guarantee you're going to see big changes in as little as a week. The 4 simple things. First, your mouth. Think your mouth like toothpaste coming out of a tube. Maybe you've heard this analogy before, but I think it's so good, I'll tell it again. Right? As soon as you say your words, you can't take them back. How many times have you said something stupid and put your foot in your mouth afterwards and said, oh, why did I say that? Pause and think about what you're going to say, because just like toothpaste out of a tube of toothpaste, once it comes out, it's out there, like it's in the world, and there's really nothing you can do about it at that point. And that's why your mouth is the first battlefield. Let me give you a couple of personal examples of where I've struggled to control my mouth. One thing that my family knows is they know that I am not very good at keeping secrets. And it's not just because like I want to let a secret go. It's because I'll be having a conversation with somebody and not even know that I'm giving up a secret. Some years ago, we had some photos of the kids taken, did like a photo shoot. And we were going to give away the photos as gifts. Well, I guess I didn't realize that we were going to give some of those to my sister-in-law. So she stops by one night. I said,
"Oh, hey, Sarah, have you seen the pictures?"
And you should have seen the look on my wife's face. Her eyes got all big. And it was like, I immediately realized like, oh, I guess I wasn't supposed to say something about that because these were supposed to be a gift, which I'm sorry, I don't think anybody ever told me that. So in my defense, that's fine. Another example, this is just 2. I could probably go on and on about examples where I've said the wrong thing at the wrong time. This was shortly kind of toward the tail end of COVID. We were going up to Canada to a relative's wedding. And on the way there, apparently my wife was telling the kids the whole way, like,
don't tell them we're going to a wedding because we're not supposed to be going to large social gatherings and things like that.
It was a pretty small wedding anyways, but so we get up to the customs worker there working the booth there to let us into Canada, and they ask the usual questions, you know.
Do you have any alcohol, tobacco, firearms, or anything like that that you want to declare?
And we didn't. And like, where are you going? I said,
a wedding.
And my wife like pinched my arm as soon as I said it. Like,
how dare you say that?
I told her as we were driving away, it's like, I didn't know. And you know, when somebody's standing there asking you questions and they've got a pistol on their hip, like you tend to be honest with them. So just a couple of examples there. Next, let's talk about the lens that you're seeing life through. Simple thing number 2, control your mind. Your thoughts are like lenses. Dark thoughts darken everything. But the good news, you can change your lenses. The domino habit is controlling your mind. If you win here, your words, your mood, and even your money will fall in line. Change your thoughts and you change everything. And here's the thing. Even Navy SEALs know that you don't rise to the occasion, you fall to your training. That means that under stress, your performance falls back to your ingrained training, your habits, not momentary ambition. This idea highlights that true resilience is built through continuous training, which dictates your behavior when your adrenaline takes over, rather than just some innate ability. Train your thoughts daily. Ask yourself,
What material am I consuming?
Personally, I try to limit how much news I consume. Because I'll tell you what, especially during an election cycle, I find myself falling down this path of watching too much news, usually online, and I just walk away just feeling bad about myself. Now, don't get me wrong. I mean, you need to keep up on current events to a degree, but moderation is key here. I know people that, when you walk into their house, the news is always on, and I don't think that's a healthy way for anybody to live. Simple thing 3, control your mood. This is a thermometer. It reacts. It tells you the temperature, right? You stick it in something and it'll tell you how hot it is. It has no control. Now compare that to a thermostat, like the one on your wall in your house that controls your furnace or your air conditioning if you live someplace warm. A thermostat sets the temperature. It determines how you feel. There's a powerful question that helps you to reset your mood. Pause and ask yourself,
What's under this feeling?
that pause changes everything. Let me tell you a story about how I lost my mind over spills. So one Easter, the kids were coloring Easter eggs at the table. Well, when you're doing Easter eggs, right, you have all of these little cups full of dye on the table. And we're in my dining room where we've got hardwood floors and everything, and we're sitting there and the kids are dunking. Next thing you know, one of them tips over the blue dye and it just goes all over the table, all over the floor. And I guess I kind of overreacted. I kind of yelled up. My wife wasn't in the room. She was upstairs. So I yelled across the house, top of my lungs.
Kelly, come here. We've got a problem.
So she thought like somebody died or something like that. So she comes racing down and she sees,
Oh, it's just a spill. Like, what are you so worried about? Why are you losing your mind?
I don't know. It's just how I've always been, and I'm working on it. And I swear they are using exposure therapy to break me of this strange thing that I have with spills, because they seem to spill all the time. Simple thing 4, control your money. I'll tell you what, even this little guy right here can become mighty with enough time. Every dollar is a vote for your future or against it. Even this little guy, when controlled, grows into freedom. Small choices over time with the power of compound interest can result in massive freedom. For instance, look at the example of Ronald Reed, a philanthropist, but you probably heard his story before because he started out as a janitor. See, Ronald worked at a gas station and as a janitor, and somehow amassed an $8 million fortune. Okay, think about it. Gas station attendant and a janitor. $8 million. How is that possible? It's simple, really. Diligent saving and long-term investing and living below your means. After his death in 2014 at age 92, he surprised his community by leaving $1.2 million to the Brooks Memorial Library and $4.8 million to Brattleboro Memorial Hospital. As he had lived his life very frugally, patched his clothes, and drove a used car. If this is connecting with you, do me a favor. Hit that like button and drop a comment below. Which of these 4 simple things do you struggle with the most? And don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me to keep creating content just like this to help people just like you. You don't need to control the world. You just need to control you. The 4 M's: mouth, mind, mood, and your money. Win these 4 and your whole life shifts. Do you ever feel like your emotions control you? If so, click on this next video here, where I break down the #1 superpower that separate successful people and creative people from everyone else: emotional regulation. I'll see you there.